midst of the issues that the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party are sparring over in the national capital, there is a new addition, and that is voter list. Now, Delhi Chief Minister has claimed that there is a voter scam that is happening in New Delhi constituency, from where Aam Aadmi Party Supremo and former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is contesting for the upcoming assembly elections. Now, the Chief Minister claims that in the past few days, 10% of the new voters have been added to this constituency electoral roll and 5.5% have been deleted. Now, she says that the numbers are significant since the constituency has approximately 1 lakh voters, and these changes could completely alter the election outcomes. Have a look at what she said.
6,167 जो वोट हैं, ये नई दिल्ली विधानसभा के कुल 5.77% वोट हैं। यानी 10% वोट को जोड़ना, 5.5% वोट को काटना, इतने में पूरे इलेक्शन में हेर फेर करने की साजिश।
Responding to these claims, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has said that civil society of Delhi wants to make Delhi free of fake voters, and any political party opposing the move will be ousted by the people here ahead of the elections.
सीधा लोकतंत्र की हत्या करना, आतिशी मार लेना, अरविंद केजरीवाल, संजय सिंह, राघव चड्ढा, ये इस षड्यंत्र में शामिल है। खास तौर से नई दिल्ली विधानसभा को लेकर हमने पहले भी प्रेस में ये वक्तव्य दिया है कि क्या कारण है कि 21 तारीख, 28 तारीख, 29 तारीख और फिर 3 तारीख, इन 4 दिनों में 2 हॉलीडेज हैं, 3 शनिवार और इतवार। उस दिन राघव चड्ढा और संजय सिंह जाकर निर्वाचन अधिकारी को धमकाते हैं, नीचे के अधिकारी को धमकाते हैं और तुम्हें देख लेने की धमकी देते हैं। उसके बाद खुद मुख्यमंत्री आतिशी मार लेना अपने कार्यालय में बुलाती हैं। आप मुख्यमंत्री हैं, आप किसी भी अधिकारी को बुला सकते हैं, लेकिन जब इलेक्शन का काम चल रहा है, कोई अधिकारी अगर इलेक्शन से रिलेटेड काम देख रहा है, तो आपको ये हक नहीं बनता कि आप उस अधिकारी को धमकाएंगे। मैं तो कहता हूं कि इन लोगों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए जिन्होंने चुनाव अधिकारी को धमकाने की कोशिश की है, उनको डराने की कोशिश की है और सीधा मतदान को प्रभावित करने की कोशिश की।
Well, in the press conference, Delhi Chief Minister also questioned the role of Election Commission, claiming that it was suspicious as they have not investigated this particular matter. Now, she has also written to the Chief Election Commissioner regarding the same. Now, another person who has written to the Chief Poll Officer is the District Election Officer of New Delhi, flagging concern about political interference and operational disruption. This is what they've stated in the letter that they have written to the Election Commission. Now, in a series of letters, the poll officers have said that there's undue pressure from the political leaders and sought security measures to ensure smooth conduct of the electoral duties. Now, for more on this, let me cross over to my colleague Isha, who joins us live on the broadcast. Isha, now a new charge coming from the Aam Aadmi Party is that there is a manipulation in electoral rolls, the electoral list, in fact, with BJP saying that there is a need to remove the fake voters, and that is why this step has been taken. Take us through the details.
Right, Akanksha, if you remember, there was a press conference that the Delhi BJP unit held where, in fact, they had about 6 to 7 people living across Delhi alleging that from their houses fake voters are being registered and they are unknown and they're unaware of any such thing happening, and they only found out when later they found their house address written with some random names that they had no clue about. So this is not a new issue that the Delhi BJP is now raising. The Aam Aadmi Party has definitely clapped back, stating that this is the Delhi BJP, this is the BJP's bid to further malign the vote bank of the Aam Aadmi Party, and that is what the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, has also been stating. But the Delhi BJP had previously also stated that the Aam Aadmi Party is indulging in such an issue, indulging in allegedly in trying to buy votes and in trying to add fake names to votes, add fake names in the voter list for vote bank politics. And the BJP had alleged that these are all Rohingya Muslims who will vote for Arvind Kejriwal because of the Aadhaar cards that the Aam Aadmi Party government has provided. And now this has also reached the Election Commission, and the Election Commission has stated that Sanjay Singh's and the Aam Aadmi Party's allegations are baseless and untrue. true, and the BJP had also previously complained to the Election Commission, and they had written an official complaint about all these addresses and the fact that they were suspecting that the Aam Aadmi Party had put in some fake names in the electoral rolls, and now the same thing the Aam Aadmi Party is also stating. So it's a massive back and forth, Akanksha, with no solution as of now.
Well, absolutely. So a big charge coming from Aam Aadmi Party that there is a bid to manipulate the voter list. Isha, stay on with us.